Hey, what are you guys doing in there? You guys looking for towels too? Come with me, I got you. If you've ever had streaks, scratches, or just plain old bad drying results, it's probably your microfiber towel. But today we're gonna be going over 5 different types of microfiber towels that are gonna change the way you detail your ride forever. Let's get right into it. All right, so the first ones we have here are our general purpose microfiber towels. Now these are great for just about anything. Interior, exterior, home use, garage use, you name it. These towels are great because they're dual ply. You can actually see one side is actually fluffier than the other. The flat nap side is great for buffing. The other side is great for finishing. So if you're using detail sprays or just trying to wipe off waxes, glazes, sealants, or ceramic coatings for your vehicle's paintwork, you can use this side. Or if you're doing something that requires a little bit more of a deeper clean, you can use the short nap side to get more of a deeper scrub. That way we can scrub away dirt, grime, contaminants from any type of surface. Now when it comes to microfiber towel, quality is everything. Now sure, you can go to your local bargain store, your local convenience store, or any kind of store that sells microfiber towels. And sure, you might find a pack of towels that comes with like 10 of them for like $2, $3, which, you know, that's a great deal, don't get me wrong. But remember guys, quality, quality, quality. And the great thing about this 3-pack is that it does come in 3 different colors. So you get to designate different colors for different purposes, for your interior, your exterior, your home usage, your office, you name it, you get to decide. Now we're on to our next towels, the waffle weave. Now these towels, as opposed to the rest of them, have a different kind of pattern to them. Now one thing you'll notice up close is that these towels actually kind of have like a little waffle-like texture, just like your favorite breakfast, a waffle. Now those little grooves and indentations actually serve a purpose. No, they're not just there for looks. That actually helps with trapping liquids along with dirt and grime when you're cleaning glass or drying your ride. So as you can see, as opposed to the traditional microfiber towels, which kind of have like little strands, this one just kind of has more so like little pockets. So as you're wiping with the towel, not only are you picking up water when drying your car, but if you're cleaning your glass, it's picking up all the dirt and grime and is basically distributing it throughout the towel, as opposed to creating a hard dirt line, which you can actually scratch your paint or your glass with. On top of that, because of the material, the way it's woven, it's actually more tight, so it does have more area to actually absorb water from. When it comes to small drying jobs or just cleaning glass in general, these towels are gonna be the best in its class. Next up, we have our hybrid towels. So right here, we actually have 2 different types of towels with 2 different names. Right here, we have our little 𝗏𝗏𝗏 microfiber drying towel, and we also have our clean stroke towel, which as you can see also does utilize that same waffle-like texture. But on this side, it also offers a hybrid kind of towel itself, which it does have a twisted loop technology side. So basically this side is going to be great for absorbing liquids, and this side right here is going to work exceptionally well for cleaning glass. Now we created this towel to kind of give you the best of both worlds. So if you find yourself in a niche where it's kind of like you have like a smaller caddy or tote to carry all your favorite detailing products in, this right here would actually kind of do the job of 2 different towels. One for your, like your quick drying and for just general purpose glass cleaning. Now this one's pretty cool because it's also a hybrid towel. This is our little 𝗏𝗏𝗏, which as you can see also offers that same twisted loop drying technology on one side, and on the other side, I know you can't see it, but also twisted loop technology, just shorter ply. So if you find yourself needing a towel that has just a little bit of oomph when it comes to cleaning power, this towel is gonna be it. Now when it comes down to drying your car, these towels right here are gonna be your holy grail. Now, I'm the kind of person that loves having a larger towel just because it's easier to just kind of throw it on your car, drape it on there, pull it, and dry. But I do know that there's people out there that prefer having smaller towels like this, which, you know, also works out great. But trust me, nothing beats having a bigger towel to get the job done with just one. First glance, you guys might be looking at these towels and say, Joey, those are bath towels. No, they're not bath towels, guys. They may look like bath towels and they do offer the absorbency of a bath towel, but trust me, these things are super soft, super plush, and won't scratch your paint. And they're so good, you can actually use it as a bath towel. Now to wrap everything up, who doesn't love a happy ending? These right here are our happy ending finishing towels. Now when it comes to finalizing the job, that final cherry on top is gonna be these towels right here because they're super soft, they're super plush, and as opposed to the majority of the towels that we have up here, these right here are actually edgeless. So they don't have any borders at all where they can't collect any kind of dirt or anything alongst them, and they're definitely not gonna scratch up your paint. I mean, just check out how soft they are. Look at how high the pile is as well. Now that pile right there, the reason for it being so high is for it to filter out abrasive dirt and grime as you're wiping your vehicle. So if you're just trying to dust off your car, maybe just hit that car show, you want to just go ahead and dust off that layer of dirt or dust that collected on your way there, just grab one of these towels, give it that final touch, and you're done. This is gonna be the perfect towel to go ahead and wipe all that stuff away so that you're definitely not scratching it up, especially if you already went through all the struggles of washing your car, cleaning it, polishing it to perfection, the last thing that you want to do is ruin your paint job with a cheap towel. If I didn't mention it already, they're super soft, they're super plush, and they come in multiple different colors. So now that you guys are all updated with your microfiber knowledge and know what really goes into choosing the right one for your ride, now it's time for you to ditch the old ones, get yourself some new ones. So I'm gonna grab my towels, go back to doing laundry. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up your towels, make sure to pick them up on our website, 𝘃𝗵𝗿guys.com, or at your local detail garage store. As always, I'm Joey, this is 𝘃𝗵𝗿guys. We'll see you next time.